So I'm going to show you the two options available for setting up a satellite DeFi system. Option number one includes one satellite DeFi and one DeFi Plus. My controller of choice today is an CHAUVET 70. And basically the way you're going to set this up is out of your DMX controller, you're going to go into the DeFi Plus. On the DeFi Plus, you're going to make sure that it says T for transmit and then a number. The number after it is the megahertz that it's transferring in. In this situation, it's 928 megahertz. And on the other side, I have my satellite DeFi. And I'm going to take a DMX cable and connect from the DMX output of the DeFi to the DMX input of my fixture. The next thing I'm going to do is set the satellite DeFi to receive mode. Basically, you have the DeFi Plus connected to the controller that's transmitting. So this signal here needs to be received. To do that, I'm going to press mode until the T flashes. Press it again, and now you see the R flashes. I'm going to make sure my number is the same, 928 and 928, and I'm going to press enter button. So now, this satellite DeFi is receiving the signal that's sent from this DeFi Plus, which is also connected to the CHAUVET 70. And I have a LED Splash 200B here, and now using my DMX controller, I have full control of my fixture. Option number two to use your satellite DeFi is to use your satellite DeFi as also your transmitter. So we're going to substitute the DeFi Plus for another satellite DeFi, and let me show you how. So the first thing we want to do when connecting the satellite DeFi as a transmitter is connect the DMX cable. So out of my controller, CHAUVET 70 once again, we're going to connect the cable straight to the satellite DeFi, the input. And then we're going to want to set the settings on the digital display. Right now it's set into receive mode on channel 915. So we need to change that to transmit on 928. So I'm going to press mode twice until it says T for transmit, and then I'm going to press the up button until it says 928. And then I'm going to press enter. And what I've just done there is locked in the satellite DeFi to transmit the DMX signal on 928 megahertz. So what I have now here is a DMX controller connected with a cable to my satellite DeFi, which is set in transmit mode. I have another satellite DeFi connected to my 200B set in receive mode. So now when I manipulate my DMX controller, I have full control over the fixture that's connected to the satellite. So instead of running cables all the way around the room, you now can put a satellite DeFi and a fixture on top and put those underneath the table for your wedding and illuminate the tables without having to run any power or any DMX cables. Also, if those waiters are getting in your way, you can put these around the room and not have to run cables in between the doorway and trip them up. It's a wonderful product. Satellite DeFi can either be used as a transmitter or a receiver. So how do you know if your fixture will work with the satellite system? It's very simple. On the back of this color strip mini, there is no connection for the satellite. This connection is for the optional LED FS1 foot switch controller that will work with the color strip family of products. However, on this color strip mini, you'll see a 4-pin connector. This 4-pin connector is what's used to work with the satellite. Now I'm going to show you how to charge up your satellite or satellite DeFi system. Included in the box is the standard AC adapter. We're going to give it some power and plug the power supply in and plug the other end straight into the satellite or satellite DeFi. And on the front of your battery pack, the LEDs will do a little dance. This one is fully charged. If it was not fully charged, you will actually see the lights changing and blinking. Great question. The satellites will last between 5 and 8 hours depending on which product you put in. There's another great question. The answer is unlimited. Once you have this set up with your controller, your DeFi Plus, or your satellite DeFi transmitting your signal, you can have unlimited number of satellite DeFis or DeFi Pluses receiving the signal. This means if you have different setups in different areas of your room, you can transmit to all of those sessions wirelessly with no cables in between. That's the beauty of it. That's another great question. So let's take a look at some of the applications that are actually using the satellite system. 200 Mini and the 200B, which is just two of the products that are satellite ready. We have many others to check out, so please head to our website, CHAUVETlighting.com, for a complete list. And just so you know, there's more coming real soon. You can also check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube for the latest updates. I'm Alan Reese, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.